Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a unique collar design which is very easy and trendy. I'm also going to make this extra interesting by attaching a pearl necklace in the dress itself. So let's get started. I have chosen a bright orange handloom material for this outfit. Single fold the front and back part of the fabric separately and place the front part on top. First, let's mark the collar. Mark 3 inches as the width of the collar and 3.5 inches as the length of the collar. Now I mark my preferred neck deep from the point shown. I mark 6 inches as the neck deep. Let's connect the 3 points and draw boxes as shown in the video. Now take your pasting paper and redo the same as what we just marked on the fabric. 3 inches for the width, 3.5 inches for the length of the collar and 6 inches for the neck deep, and connect the points and draw the boxes. Now mark 1 inches at the top of the pasting paper and 1 inches at the bottom of the pasting paper as shown. Now I can draw a desired design for the neck by joining the 2 points I marked. Draw the design again 1 inches away from the original design, but mark 1.5 inches only at the top as shown. The collar will get a good stand-up look by doing so. Cut it out as shown. Open the pasting paper and iron it on a piece of fabric, making sure the fabric has at least 0.5 inches gap on all sides of the pasting paper. This is my shoulder point. I will extend the shoulder line and mark 4.5 inches as the shoulder measurement. Drop 1 inches for shoulder slop and draw the new slanted shoulder line. Mark the same 7.5 inches as the armhole line. Now let's mark the bust, waist and hip measurements like how we usually mark for a normal kurti or shalwar. Mark 11 inches as shoulder to bust point, and at this point draw the bust round line as 11 inches. Mark 15 inches as the shoulder to waist point, and at this point draw the waist round line as 9.5 inches. Mark 25 inches as the shoulder to hip point, and at this point draw the hip line as 12 inches. To draw the chest line, take the same bust line measurement of 11 inches, and extend the line and connect the chest, bust, waist and hip lines as shown. To mark the front armhole curve, mark 1 inch inwards from this point and draw a slanted line and mark 1.5 inches as shown, and by using a curved ruler or freehand, finish the front armhole curve. Next step is to cut the front part of the fabric. Start with the collar, then shoulders and armhole. Trace the original armhole line to the back part of the fabric as shown and draw the back armhole as well. Raise 0.5 inches from the front shoulder line to mark the back shoulder line. Then extend the line as shown for the back neck width and cut it out as shown. Now cut the side of the dress, and these measurements are including the sewing and ease allowance. And the measurements given in this video are relevant for large size outfit. Now it's time to take the pasting paper that we have already prepared. Make clippings on the fabric and fold and stitch as shown. Put a small notch on the center of the pasting paper and also on the front part of the dress. Secure with pins and stitch along the neck design. Leave a gap of 0.5 inches and cut out the excess pasting paper. Make multiple clippings to make turning easy. Once turned, open the two ends of the collar and stitch them together as shown. Now take the back part. Place it on the front part, secure with pins and stitch as shown. And that's it. The most easiest collar dress is ready. I promise that it's way easier than how it looks. To make it more interesting, I'm going to grab my thread elastic and a suitable needle and some pearls of your choice to attach a pearl necklace in the neck of the dress. So once you wear the dress, it will appear as if you are wearing a necklace. Mark equal points on the two sides of the neck and insert the needle through the interfacing so that the thread elastic will get sandwiched in between the interfacing and the fabric. And that's it. Your beautiful pearl necklace dress is ready. Please subscribe the channel, leave your thought as a comment and don't miss out any of my videos. Bye bye from Home Menu.